Hi guys, I'm here for again another haul of an AliExpress perfume I got. Let's see if I can go 5 for 5 out of these, y'all. I'm excited. So this is the Berry on Top Give Me Gourmand by Lattafa. And this is wrapped. Same kind of sticker. See that? And it looks legit. I don't have a reason to think otherwise yet. So this one's even sealed. The other ones weren't. Yeah, they were sealed. So I'm thinking these are like minor imperfections in the shipping, packaging. Yeah, there's no imperfection in this that I can see. But there's your berry on top. My cat's in here. I wasn't gonna get them all until I saw that I can get them for this price. Look at how cute that is. So yeah, it's Give Me Gourmand by Lattafa. And I'll put the notes in the comment section because I said I was going to do that in the other ones and I forgot. But there's your little straws, your strawberry. It's right on here. Got my little. Oh, that smells so good. That smells real good.